Hello children, today in this video I am going to start chapter 3. In chapter 3 there are two parts, part 1 and part 2. Today in part 1 I shall explain you about uses of word processor and entering the text. In entering the text, creating a new document, then saving a document, closing the document and also opening the document along with its shortcut key. Now children, take out your book and open page number 24. Children, in the previous class you were familiarized with one of the popular word processor, MS Word. You learned that a word processor helps in storing, formatting or manipulating the text document such as letter, report, etc. It provides different tools for selecting, copying, moving, deleting and printing the text. After discussing the basic features of a word processor, let us enhance our knowledge about its other features in this chapter. Besides this, we will also focus on the shortcut keys associated with different functions and tools of word processor. Word processor is, we can say one more name of word processor is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is an application software used for word processing. It was introduced by Microsoft Corporation, one of the world's largest companies in software development. Microsoft Word has the power and flexibility to produce letters, reports, notices, newsletters, books, bills, etc. quickly and in a presentation manner. These are the uses of Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, we can modify the text while typing and also after typing. We can beautify the text using color, styles, font size, border, shading and various other effects. We can insert graphics and make use of various drawing tools to draw pictures. Copy and move the text from one location to another. We can copy the text and we can move the text from one location to another. Even we can print out the documents. We can see the text before printing it, and we can take multiple printouts. These are the uses of the Microsoft Word. Now, how can we start Microsoft Word? We can start Microsoft Word by clicking on the Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office, then comes Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Office, we will get Microsoft Word. Next is the Word application opens a blank document with the temporary name Document 1. The small blinking vertical line, can you see here small blinking vertical line that you notice on the screen is known as insertion point or cursor. Insertion point or cursor. It indicates the position where the text typed character will appear here. As you start typing here, the cursor moves towards right side, shifts to the right. We can enter text on the same screen or create a new document. Now this is MS Word window, okay? And here you can see the title bar on the top, title bar. And this title bar has maximize, minimize and close button. These three buttons are there in the title bar, and file tab is there, and quick access toolbar is there, and then down is status bar. Okay, now next is entering the text. Entering the text in Microsoft Word. How can we enter the text? While typing, you might have observed the word wraps. The word wraps the text automatically. What does the wrapping means? Wrapping means the text does not, if the text does not fit in the current line, then it gets shifted to the next line automatically. By default. Default means itself, by itself. And type the following text and observe the wrap effect. This wrap effect can be observed if you type it in this blank place, okay, or in this work area. That time you can observe as you start writing here, automatically the cursor will come in the next line, and again you can follow the next line like this. This is what called by default. Okay, next is how to create a new document. How to create a new document. Go to File tab. In File tab there is new option. As you click the new option, a blank document option comes under the templates, in available templates. Or else you can click the new button, and that new button is on the quick access toolbar. And the shortcut key for creating a new document is Ctrl+N. Now children, I want to explain you about saving a document. Once you write a paragraph in MS Word, after that you have to save a document. To save the document, you have to go to File tab. In File tab, Save option is there. Okay. Now I shall tell you the different steps to save the document. The shortcut key is Ctrl+S. And we can click the File tab. In File tab, Save option is there. In File tab, Save option is there, and this Save option saves the document. But before that, we have to, as we click the Save option, Save As dialog box will open. And there we have to write the file name in the file name box. Then click on the Save button, or click the Save button, this one, on the quick access toolbar. This way you can save your document. Then closing a document. What is the shortcut key? Ctrl+W, okay, which helps to close a document. And this closing a document, again we have to click the close option, that is in the File tab. If the file is not saved, a message box appears. Click on the Save if you want to save the file. If you do not want to save the changes, select the Don't Save option, and then your document or your file will be closed. Now opening a document, the shortcut key is Ctrl+O. Click on the File tab. First you click the File tab, then Open option is there. When you click Open option, Open dialog box will appear. Then select the file that you want to open and click on the Open button, or click on the Open button on the quick access toolbar. this way, in this video, I explained you about the uses of word processor and entering the text. In my next video, I shall explain you about different ways to select the text and the checking of spelling and grammar, and also about thesaurus.